Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to enable memories notifications on Snapchat so you never miss a precious moment. If you've captured some unforgettable snaps and want reminders about them, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, after tapping your profile picture, look again to the top right. There's a gear icon there. This is your gateway to the settings. Tap that gear icon to access all your Snapchat settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down and find the notifications option. This is where we'll make sure you get those memories alerts you want. Finally, tap on notifications, and you'll see various options listed. Look for memories, and make sure it's marked or toggled on. This step is crucial, as it allows Snapchat to send you notifications about your cherished snaps. And there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you're all set to receive memories notifications, ensuring that your favorite moments are always at the forefront. Enjoy your Snapchat journey, and don't forget to capture more memories.